Few things are more infuriating than Wi-Fi that keeps cutting out, especially when it happens in the middle of a call or right when you need it the most. Here's the thing. My internet is broken is actually 5 or 6 different problems wearing the same mask, and each one has a different fix. I diagnose this constantly at my job, so today I'm giving you my exact process, step by step, from the most common cause to the sneakiest, including one setting that fixes most laptop drops that nobody talks about. Let's find your problem. Before we do anything technical, we do the thing that fixes a shocking number of cases, a proper reset. Unplug your router, wait a full 30 seconds, actually count to 30 seconds, then plug it back in and let the lights settle. While that's happening, on your laptop, turn Wi-Fi off and back on again. I know it sounds too simple, but I do this first thing on every single case because more often than you'd believe, this is the whole fix. Don't skip it. After we've reset your router and we still notice that you have a drop of internet on your device, here comes the most important question. Is it happening just on this device or on all devices? To check this, you're going to need to grab another one, whether it's another computer or a phone that you have, and check also there if the internet is dropping. If it is, the issue is most likely with your router or your internet itself. If everything's dropping, let's talk signal. A weak signal causes drops, and the number one cause of a weak signal is where your router lives. It should be out in the open, up high and central, not shoved behind the TV, not in the cabinet, and definitely not next to a microwave. Now, if it's only this laptop's Wi-Fi that is dropping, the prime suspect is its Wi-Fi adapter. First, let's update its driver. Right-click the Start menu, select Device Manager, look for your network adapters, go to Wi-Fi, right-click it, select Update Driver, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and choose the latest driver that you have there. Click on Next, close, and restart your computer. This setting fixes more laptop drops than anything else. Is it still dropping just on this laptop? Then it could be that the network profile might be corrupted. There are two ways of going about this. The first one is the gentle version. What we can do is we can go to your Wi-Fi, right-click the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, and click on Forget. Next, we're going to connect again with its password. And if this solved the issue, then great. If it didn't, then there's the better option, which deletes all the network profiles on your computer. So any Wi-Fi that you've connected to previously, you'll have to re-enter the password for them because it deleted their profile. What we're going to do is we're going to go into Settings, go to Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, then Network Reset. Once we click on this button, it's going to ask us to restart our computer. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay. It says 5 minutes, but we're just going to go ahead and do it ourselves. We're going to click Close. See over here, it's already disconnected our Wi-Fi, completely deleted our profile. Basically all the profiles. There's no Wi-Fi option here at all. So we're going to go ahead and restart our computer. All right, after the computer is restarted, we're going to reconnect to our Wi-Fi with its password. There we go. And hopefully this fixed the issue. All right, finally, if all your devices drop, or it happens at the same time every day, or your router's internet light is off or red, the problem isn't inside your home at all. It's upstream with your provider. Before you call them, check a few things so you sound like you know what you're talking about. Is there a known outage in the area? Are the cables into the router firmly seated? Is the router old or hot to the touch? Is it overheating? Once you've checked those, you can call your provider and actually describe the problem, which gets it fixed far faster. There's another tool that you can use, which always helps. That's called a speed test. You can go to one of the search engines and type in speed test, search it. You can choose the first one if you want, or you can scroll down and pick a better one. I like Cloudflare because it gives you a lot of information. It's testing the speed, the upload speed, the download speed. We'll let this run for a minute. Good. And now it's finished. You can see over here, it tested my internet and gave me a score of great for video streaming, great for online gaming, the same for video chatting. You can see what it tested and how good it did with what it tested. You can use this information to determine what you want to say to the internet provider. So there you have it. Work through these steps in order until your Wi-Fi is stable. Most people never get past step 2. If this helped, please subscribe. And I'm curious, what finally fixed your Wi-Fi? Please tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.